Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you are fine inshallah. Welcome to the class in online learning school. This is our first lecture, Ad-Darsul Awwal, lesson number first. Haza, this is. This is a demonstrative pronoun in grammar, and this is used for near or close things. Both haza and this have completely the same meaning, but haza is Arabic word and this is an English word. For example, haza kitabun, this is book. Haza kitabun, this is book. The N sound in the last is the Arabic indefinite article a or n. And if you want to make a definite noun, then we have to remove the N sound from the last. In Arabic, this is called tanween. So we have to remove the tanween and add alif lam in the past. Then it will become definite noun. For example, al-kitab mean the book. Al-qalam mean the pen. Al-bab mean the door. It becomes specific thing. But when we say kitabun, it's mean a book. Qalamun, a pen, any pen. So this is a indefinite noun. Okay, let me give you more example, but please try to understand and memorize all these new words. Okay, haza qalamun, this is pen. Haza qalamun. The next one is haza kursiyun, this is chair. Haza kursiyun, this is chair. Haza baytun, this is home. Haza baytun, this is home. Haza masjidun, this is masjid. Haza masjidun, this is masjid. Next one is haza babun, this is door. Haza babun, this is door. Haza miftahun, this is key. Haza miftahun, this is key. When we add alif lam, haza al-miftah, this is the key. Haza al-bab, this is the door. Then it will become definite. Okay. Haza sarirun, this is bed. Haza sarirun, this is bed. Haza maktabun, this is desk. Haza maktabun, this is desk. Okay, it's enough for today. Thank you so much for attending the class, and please make sure your attendance. Okay, best of luck. See you in next class. Thank you so much.